get ready with me to go on a date. I'm on a date, kind of nervous with my sister. Where do we freaking start? Long time no talk. It's been a while since we literally spoke. Like, I have not vlogged in like 2 weeks, 1 week, I don't know, but I really did miss talking to you. You're like my friend. Welcome back to your girl's YouTube channel. If you are not new, I really do appreciate you being here. I appreciate your support for just clicking on this video. Your like, it doesn't go unnoticed. But if you are new, my name is Kesley, like Leslie. It's not really too much about me. If you want to get to know me, watch my Q&A. If I'm being honest, I really don't know what this video is going to be about. Good morning. It's actually 2 days later, so we're gonna do a spend a day with KK / get ready. But before we get ready to go where we're gonna go later, I have to clean my room. I have to clean my space. So we're gonna do that. But right now, I'm gonna do my skincare because you guys, I've incorporated a new skincare routine into my daily routine, my everyday routine. So every morning, I always make sure I clean my face. Oh, before I even get into whatever, today is actually Sunday. I didn't go to church today. I have church playing in the background from church at home. I have a lot of things that I have to do before I leave. My space is dirty. Like, my room is messy and my bathroom is dirty. So we have to make sure we clean it because I know I'm not going to do that when I get home. I have to start the week off on a clean slate. But yeah, I've been washing my face every morning, and for my cleanser, is this a cleanser? I don't know. Oh yeah, this is a cleanser. This is the Even Tone cleansing bar, and it basically helps to remove your dark spots and even out your skin tone. So I've been using this for a week now consistently. Although I missed yesterday, we're gonna get that to pass, but I feel like it's been really helping to keep my skin clear. Like, I haven't really been getting no huge bumps like I've always been getting, like, weekly, you know what I mean? So I'm very grateful. I really did miss talking to you. Like I said, it's been like almost 2 weeks since I vlogged. Like, the last time we spoke was according to YouTube. It's been 3 days since we posted our last video, but according to like real time, I didn't record anything this week. My face is clean. I've been feeling really good about my skincare lately. And then for my moisturizer, I go in with my shea butter, and then on top of that, I go with my Tula brightening treatment drops. I have to clean my space. This is how my space is looking. We have to go into this new week with a clean space because God cannot operate in dirt. So we're gonna make sure we do that, and I'm coming back to you guys when it's time for me to get ready. Adios.
3 hours later.
So, as you guys seen from the last clip, we had our Bantu in. I'm just going to put her back into Bantu because we're going to go to the fair, and I don't want for my hair to be out because I feel like my curls are going to drop because we're going to be outside. I actually moisturized my hair yesterday, and I used this hair honey by Carol's daughter. No, by Camille's Rose. Fun fact, my middle name is actually Camille, so this is cool. This is a leave-in, and I'm just so excited that I finally got my hands on this product, y'all. So far, I'm really loving it. Like, I just love how moisturized it feels. Like, it's super slimy. Well, it's not super slimy, but I don't know, it just feels like it's doing something to my hair. Like, it feels like it's actually hydrating my hair. But yeah, I was just like, why not show you guys how I do Bantu knots on mini twist, because I've gotten a lot of compliments this week, and I just thought, like, why not. My sister and I, we actually went to the fair on Thursday, and if you don't know, I'm from Miami. We have this thing called the youth fair, and our fair was way much more better than North Florida's fair. Like, I feel like it was just super small. The food, it was okay, but our fair is way much more better. Like, we have way much more rides. I rate that experience a 8 out of 10, and then I rate the actual fair a 3 out of 10 because, like I said, our fare is way much more better. But I'm going again tonight on a date. So like I said, I was just like, why not show you guys how to put my topic is. So yeah, we're gonna just get started. First things first, I'm gonna rinse off my edges. I'm not gonna use any product because, like I said, I didn't moisturize my hair yesterday, so don't need to add any extra product to my hair. And it's been about a week with these mini twists, and I think I'm probably taking them out next week, but I'm not sure. I do miss my hair though. And when it comes to like these Bantu knots, make sure like when you're doing like your mini twist in general, make sure like your parts are somewhat neat. It don't have to be perfect, but I feel like if you want to achieve that sleek, clean look when it comes to these Bantu knots, just make sure your parts are even. I feel like for me in the back, it's really not that even, but like I got a whole bunch of compliments, so apparently they're not really too much caring about the parts. So yeah, take that however you want to take it. And honestly, when it comes to like doing these Bantu knots, I kind of just pick random sections. I'm really not too particular with, okay, I'm putting this amount of twist in each Bantu knot. I really don't care. I guess we could start off at the front. Like I said, we're gonna be at the first tonight, and I really don't want my hair to be out for real, because my curls is gonna drop. It's just gonna be in the way. When I was at the fair on Thursday, the Bantu knots was very comfortable for me. So yeah, I'm just taking random sections. Honestly, as you guys can see, this is why parting your hair is very crucial, because you feel me, it's not neat, but it's doing a little something, right? So yeah, I just take a random section and then I kind of just twist or wrap my hair. How do you explain this, or how do you describe this? I'm kind of just like twisting or like wrapping my hair, and then once it's all twisted or wrapped, however you want to describe it, you just want to just take it around your hand. Bantu knots is just super easy. Just make sure you grab a hold of the knots, and then yeah, just wrap as you go. Honestly, child, am I explaining this right, child? I don't know. And you want to make sure you do it tight, just so it can stay, but not too tight and where like you got a headache. That's ODing it, right? But I don't know, y'all, I'm kind of tired of this look. Like, I had Bantu knots in for this whole week, and I'm kind of tired of it, but this is going to be my last day of wearing Bantu knots because I want to do other styles. But yeah, like I said, I'm going on a date. Kind of looking crazy right now, but you have to trust the process. But this is our second date. It's really too much nothing to say, honestly. I'm gonna be nervous. Like, who is Kesley if she's not nervous? But yeah, as you guys can see, I'm just taking random sections. Like I said, don't want to keep repeating myself. This is really easy. I feel like doing Bantu knots on mini twists, it's just so easy and very quick. Like, I feel like doing Bantu knots on like your afro, it definitely take way much more time because you actually have to part your hair. But like with mini twists, since you already done part of your hair when you was doing the mini twist, all you doing now is just banding your hair up. This process is very fast. But yeah, like I said, I'm just grabbing random sections, and then when I finish everything, I'm gonna grab my mirror to see how it looks in the back. Yeah. Okay, so this is how it's looking so far. Like I said, I don't know how it's looking because I can't really see in the back, but how it's looking to you so far, let me know. Yeah, so I'm just grabbing a section and wrap or twist. I'm using both hands. Kind of just gonna go in this motion with both of your hands. I really don't know how to explain this. I feel like it's just super self-explanatory. There's a lot that I want to say. I just don't know how to say it. Like, every time I turn on the camera, I just start talking about completely nothing. So this is gonna be the last knots on this side. Okay, before I get this mirror, you let me know how it's looking. Let me go get the mirror. We're gonna see together. Okay, now everything is to my liking. But now I'm about to do my edges. I don't know, I feel like for me, it don't really take a lot for me to get ready. I get ready in like 30 minutes because I don't really too much do anything to my face. Oh, for my edges, I'm using edge booster. For my edges, I'm using edge booster. Yeah, I can never talk. For my edge booster, I'm using edge booster. For my edge control, I use edge booster. I let my edges sit for about 10 minutes. And I'm gonna just continue to let them sit so they could just be on all day. I'm about to do my eyebrows right now. I just filled my eyebrows just a little bit at the end. I kind of already know what outfit I'm gonna wear today. It's gonna be a bit chilly. Of course, I'm gonna be nervous. Who is Kesley if she's not nervous? Like, that's just me, right? I had a good time on our first date. The guy, he's a gentleman. I never knew like he actually wanted to date me because he's been at it since the beginning of this semester, I believe. We've just kind of been talking on and off as friends. It wasn't until our first date he told me that he actually wanted to pursue me. So I don't know, he's a gentleman, so you know, why not? It's a lot of guys that actually want me, well, not want me, but like just find me attractive. It's a lot of guys that like want to get to know me. I feel like the difference between him and the rest is that he's just a gentleman. That's all I ask for. Just be very sweet. I'm a sweetheart. I don't like all of that aggressive stuff. And I kind of didn't want to like tell y'all because I don't know, y'all know how people be like, oh, I want to keep things private. That's kind of how I felt. But I feel like at the end of the day, like, we doing life together, okay? Men, these men, they will come and go. But me and you and God, like, we locked in for life. So even if this guy, he isn't the one, like, he was just a part of my story. Yeah. Die. Y'all, this net has been in my bathroom for like days now. Just this one freaking net, and I finally killed it, and I'm so proud of myself. But yeah, this is our second date, and there's really so much left to say. I mean, I guess you can say she's dating. I don't know. I really don't like to make things a big deal because, like I said, men will come and go, but God's love, it's everlasting. So yeah, I have God through it all. He gives me discernment. He tells me, okay, yes, you can go here, or no, you can't go here. No, you can't talk to this person. No. Yeah, I just did my lip liner, and this is basically what I like to do for my face. I just fill in my eyebrows just a tad bit. And for my lip liner, I'm using my all-time favorite lip liner. If you don't follow me on my TikTok, then this is my all-time fave. This is the NYX Liquid Loud Liner, I believe, or NYX Loud Liner in the shade Rebel Kind. Y'all, this is my all-time favorite, and as you can see, girl, it's time for us to restock on some new ones, okay? But yeah, and I like for my bottom lip to be lighter than my top lip because I just feel like it's a whole look. I guess I can show you guys how my edges is looking, although I'm gonna put it back on. But yeah, you kind of just want to let your edges set. This is how my hair is looking. I'm gonna do my sideburns, but this is how she's looking on the side, the back, other side. Like I said, when you're doing your mini twist, just try your best to make sure you part very neatly. This process only takes about 10 minutes. Oh yeah, I did get my nails done. When it comes to like nails, I'm not really like a big like nail person. Like growing up, I was really a tomboy. I never really got my nails done. So it's kind of hard for me to step into like getting acrylics because I don't like fake nails on top of my real nails. So I just get the acrylic powder. Let me actually put on my outfit. I did go shopping, and I'm gonna do a whole fall haul because these clothes definitely give fall. But I purchased this brown turtleneck, so I think I'm gonna wear this tonight. Then I'm gonna wear some denim jeans. My audio was going in and out with this iPhone 11. So now I have to tell you guys what I was doing or talking about. As you guys can see, I added gold accessories towards the front part of my hair to just add some spice. I'm wearing some gold earrings that I got from Shein. Wearing my cross necklace that I got from Ross. This is how it looks. It's going to be a bit chilly today, so I just want to be very comfortable and cute at the same time. I got this top from Ross. I got this jacket actually like years ago. I got it when I first moved back to Miami, which was my senior year. I got it at Goodwill for sure. But yeah, I have had this jacket for quite some time now, and it's still in freaking good condition, y'all. I almost forgot that I had this jacket. Like when I walked into my closet, I was like, wow, we finna wear this because I haven't worn this jacket in forever. And like I said, I don't know if I'm gonna implement those clips, but I did go to the fair with my sister, and we had a good time. We had a freaking good time. But yeah, I'm gonna speak to you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna tell you guys how everything went. And yeah, if you're like discouraged because you're single and no one, you know, pays you no mind, just definitely just keep going. Guys, these guys will come and go. It's a lot of great men out here that's definitely willing to just, you know, treat you how you should be treated. So definitely don't get discouraged. This is a journey. Like I said, even if this is not the one, he's just a part of my story that I'm just sharing with you guys. So yeah, definitely don't be discouraged. You are beautiful and you freaking deserve the world. Just definitely just continue to just work on you in your relationship with God, and like I said, the right man, he will definitely come. So yeah, that's my TED talk. That's my spiel for today. Wish me luck. I'm gonna be nervous. It's not that serious, but I'm gonna be nervous. Who am I if I'm not nervous? I don't know. But yeah, adios. Hola. It's the next day. Today is Monday. I woke up this morning and I got straight to work. I woke up, did some assignments, and then I had to go over some sponsor content. Now I'm free. But now we're about to go to this bubbly place. I guess I'll vlog the rest of this day. Ooh, say what, say what, say what. Yeah. Girl, you know what's up. Okay, we made it home. If you guys hear some noise, if you hear some footsteps, I cannot control that, right? Today was a successful day. I don't know if I'm gonna implement those clips. We're gonna do a recap of today. So today I woke up and I got straight to doing my work, which I'm proud of because I always wait towards the last minute to get work done. So this morning I was like, yeah, we're finna just tackle this work. After I did my schoolwork, I did some internship work. After that, I made me some breakfast. Well, no, while I was doing my internship work, I made me some breakfast. I made some grits and eggs. Within my eggs, I added spinach and onions and cheese. After that, I folded my clothes because I washed my clothes yesterday. Yeah, we're gonna do a recap of the date that I went on yesterday, but our first date was way much more better than our second date. I told him this, and it's because like y'all have to, well, not y'all, but y'all already know, like if you know me, y'all know that I'm an introvert. I'm very closed off. I like to stay to myself. So when it comes to like I don't know, being together, not in public but like at the fair, like it was just a whole bunch of people. I don't know, I feel like I had a really good time with my sister because like we were dancing, we were having a good time, like we were just being ourselves. And when it comes to like these fair dates, y'all, this was my first date. Well, first fair date I've ever been on, and I don't know, I feel like it's kind of corny. Like I don't know, that stuff is just, I don't know, but I still had a good time. But you have made it towards the end of this video. I really appreciate you being here. Like you didn't have to watch all the way to the end, but you did. I wish your girl luck because your girl, she's dating. And y'all, I don't even know, like I didn't really know he like wanted to pursue me, like because this guy has been at it ever since like the beginning of this semester. He never like flirted with me or anything, not to my knowledge. He was just always like a friend. So I was just kind of like surprised that he actually like wanted to date me, because he's actually like a very busy guy. And I don't know, I'm not as busy. Like I work from home, so I don't really know what to say. I feel like it's mini twist season for me again. I feel like I want to continue to rock these mini twists till the end of this year. So definitely expect like mini twist videos from me. Just not right now because I have a lot of like content that I have to do. I don't want to go. I want to talk more, but I don't know what to talk about. I'm just going to see you in my next video. Adios. I love you. God loves you. Comment down below. Let me know what you want to see from me. And yeah, girl, I'm about to take off these outside clothes. Why am I in my bed with these outside clothes? I don't know. But yeah, I'm going to just talk to you guys tomorrow. Well, not tomorrow. I'm going to see you in my next video. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm kind of nervous. Like, I don't even know if I'm going to post this video because I don't know. Like I was saying earlier, I just want to keep this like private for now. So who knows if I'm going to post this video. If I do post, then. But if I don't, then it's okay. But yeah, I don't want to go, but I have to. So adios.